There you go, Jack. What is it?
Poco.
It's Jack and Charlie's first Nutella.
Look, it's a with Nana.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's good. Mommy, it's a robot. It's a robot. See?
And it covered your pop chip.
See? Very hard to it on the off there and put it in the box and you put it in the box.
You like it? Eat your pop chips, but you don't just lick it off. You eat the whole thing.
Why?
Because that's what you're supposed to do. And take a bite. You like it, Charlie? Okay.
You need paprika on you.